How to look at Onpassive. I was asked 2 questions. 1. What happens if you don't bring people in? 2. What is 3 and it's free? Okay, what happens if you don't bring people in? Nothing really. You are a founder, not a participant in an MLM. Think of it like honey being spread over a honeycomb on a flat surface. Each hole in the honeycomb is a founder position, each sitting on the same level. The artificial intelligence will spread honey over the honeycomb, equally filling all our holes. Wallets will eventually fill up. Keep this vision in mind for a minute. Okay, so 3 and it's free. When founders join, they are date stamped. And this is my version of what's going on because it makes sense to me. So let's go back to the honeycomb. When a founder joins, the honeycomb grows. Think about each hole in the honeycomb being added 1 tube at a time. The AI will spread honey from the first hole until it reaches the end. Like when you spread honey on a piece of toast, you would start with the knife at one end, the oldest founder position, and work towards the other end, the newest founder member. But what happens as you spread? It gets a little thinner. So you may have to dip the knife back into the pot to get more honey. This is why the date stamp is important. You are positioned under more honey than the ones further along the honeycomb to start with, but don't worry, just a little wait as the knife is coming back with lots more honey on. This is why Ash is saying that month 2 may take a little time to fill, as no one can't predict the future, right? Sales of new product need to gather momentum. But that's also why Ash says no one will be left behind. That big old knife is being dipped back in the honey pot. Now you can help yourself in your own honeycomb tube, founder's position, by attaching 3 positions to yours. The honey dropping in from them will help speed up the process, filling you whole a little faster. Hence the 3 and it's free. What it means is you have gained enough to pay your second month. After that, the honey should ooze out into an overflow pot that's been created just for you. Your second wallet, and that profit. Honey money, baby. Don't worry about getting a team. If they come, they come. You will be better off in a shorter time frame, that's all. Lyn Muscroft. A Bill Must production.